All right, y'all, I'm about to make this chicken, and this time I'm gonna wash the chicken because last time I didn't wash the chicken and people was upset that I didn't wash the chicken. So now I'm gonna wash the chicken. This time I'm gonna clean this chicken. I'm gonna show y'all the proper way to clean the chicken. First, I gotta get the protection gloves on. When you're cleaning chicken, you wanna make sure you have the gloves on. Yeah, these is woo-wee. All right, y'all see we got the chicken right here. The chicken's dirty. You don't want your chicken this dirty. Want to drop it in. Drop it in the water. Make sure. The lady said a couple drops of Dawn. Bam, bam. I guess that's gonna bring the little bubbles. And she also said, I just seen this video, man. I was doing it wrong the whole time. A little bit of Clorox non-splash bleach. We're just gonna put a drop of that in there. And we just gonna get the rubbing off, I guess getting all this dirt off. Wanna get the dirt off real good. I don't even know why this chicken was so dirty. I'm glad I watched that video to clean this shit. Like, man, this chicken was dirty. And as y'all see, the dirt is coming off real good. Real good. Shout out to the lady on Grindface TV that showed us the proper way to clean the chicken from her grandmother. Her mother passed down the secret sauce. Now you see the chicken is coming, it's pretty clean. I think that's the cleanest we're gonna get. We're gonna drain the water. Drain the water out. Yeah, we got all that dirt off. Y'all see, all that dirt is gone. Yes, yeah, boy. So we want to drain, and we're gonna rinse all the soap off this chicken. Rinse the soap off the chicken is very important. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna take the chicken in and drop it into the fryer. You gotta make sure your grease is hot. Gonna saute that in right there, cooking on up. Let me grab some of my seasons. That's one thing I forgot to get the season. Gonna go with some of this Creole season right there. Woo-hoo! Lemon pepper, baby. Yes, boy. And we're gonna let that cook on up for a minute. We're gonna tap back in real quick. We make sure this is getting nice and burn out everything, baby. All right, y'all, the chicken is almost done. Well, I think it's done. Fact. Looks done. So we're gonna take that out. Nice and hot. Just show y'all that I'm official out here, that I'm really cleaned this chicken and cooked it, and man. Hold on. This is hitting. I want to start cleaning my chicken more often. Yeah. This is official.